Monday, May 27, 2024. Saint Augustine of Canterbury. Focus. Jesus, looking at him, loved him. The rich young man in today's Gospel showed great humility, kneeling down before Jesus. He truly intended to follow Jesus' instruction, which he had already been practicing by keeping all the commandments. But when Jesus told him to go and sell what he had, give to the poor, and follow him, he was exposing the flaws of the man's attitude, his unwillingness to walk away from his wealth. Our material possessions are a gift from God, but when we cling to them too tightly, we obstruct the accomplishment of the plans of God had for us. Jesus lovingly invited the man to be with him, but he did not see Jesus as someone whom it was worth giving up everything to follow. Jesus wanted his disciples to understand that salvation is impossible without God's grace. He went on to call them his children. Such is his love and warmth when we approach him in humility and sincerity. Jesus' teachings are tough. They are contrary to the kind of life we would like to live in today's world. Yet he delights when we respond to his call, strengthens us, and journeys with us. We need to ask for grace and humility to accept and do what Jesus wants of us. Like Saint Augustine, known as the Apostle of England, Augustine brought Christianity to the people of England. Fruit. Jesus, help me to follow you while holding on to nothing.